So, how much time do you have to give in cybersecurity to become a hacker? Now, this is a question a lot of people ask, and if you want the answer, watch this video till the end. So, let's begin. Now, first of all, let me tell you that hacking is a really small term. It's totally up to you how much knowledge you want to get. When I started, I thought that hacking was only limited till Kali Linux and all that. But later, as I kept learning, I did a lot of things. I learned Python, I solved a lot of CTFs. And now, even after 1.5 years, I can tell you that I still feel like a noob. Not like a noob, but I've just touched the tip of the iceberg. It's so big. Seriously, it's so big. Once you start learning, you will realize that it is a really big field. Now, knowledge is a very subjective term. I've even seen script kiddies thinking that they have a lot of knowledge, and I've even seen people with 5 or 10 years of experience who I mean, who behave like they don't have any knowledge or anything. They don't brag or anything. So it's a totally subjective thing. Now, if you ask me within this experience of 1.5 year, if you ask me how much time is needed to get a decent idea of this field called cybersecurity, my answer would be that it will take you at least 1 or 1.5 year. So if you are thinking that hacking is like a course and you can learn it in 1 month or something, then you are totally wrong. It is a way of life. It takes years to master something, and this is what my answer is. And I would say it will take you at least 1 or 1.5 year of dedication and learning to get some idea about what the field is, what are the scope in it, what are the different domains in it, and get some idea about something. And this is what my answer is. Now, coming to how much time do you have to give in one day? Now, first of all, let me tell you that everyone has a different life, everyone is a different situation in life. So, I cannot really answer that in a really simple number. So, I would say that first of all, never stop doing whatever you are doing. Maybe you are in a job, or maybe you are in a school or college. So, don't stop it. On the side, you can learn ethical hacking, and try giving it at least 2 3 hours, as much as you can give. The more you can give, the better for you. So try to give as much time as you can to learning ethical hacking, and also remember to take breaks. You do, and stay consistent. Try learning every day, and it's all right to take a break for 1 or 2 days, because if you don't take breaks, you will be burnt out and your mind will be messed up. So take a break, watch a movie, play some games, enjoy learning. That's all I'm saying. Don't take it as a stress. This field called hacking is not a stress. Hacking started in, I think, like 30 or 40 years back. I'm not sure, so please don't judge me for that. So I've seen documentaries, and people who first started doing these types of things, breaking into things, they did it for fun, not for job or scope. So please don't think of hacking like a field where you have to work and you have to do a job and there is scope, there is money and all that. Enjoy what you are learning. If you enjoy learning, you will never get bored or anything. So this is my answer in simple words, in really short words. It takes years to learn hacking. You have to ultimately choose a particular niche in the cybersecurity. There are various domains. There is forensics, penetration testing, web, crypto. There are many things. There is reverse engineering, IoT, hardware, and all that. So, just in the beginning, I would suggest you that just start learning as a penetration tester, learn ethical hacking, and later you can go to whatever field you like and whatever interests you the most. And you need at least 1 or 1.5 year of knowledge and learning to figure things out and to get your doubts cleared and get some idea about what work is done in the field. So this is what I have to say. And to become an expert, so a lot of people ask, how can I become an expert? Now, I've heard people saying that if you have like 5 years of experience in a particular domain, suppose reverse engineering, you can call yourself an expert. But again, there is another person who has 10 years of experience. So expert is a really subjective term. I mean, as I said, I've even seen idiots and noobs thinking they are big hackers, and I mean, this is the thing. And I've even seen really people with a lot of knowledge thinking that they call themselves as learners rather than expert or anything. So this is all I have to say. So I have to keep this video really short, and I hope I've answered your question. How long does it take to become an expert or anything? In my opinion, it takes like 1 or 1.5 years to figure things out and get some idea, and this is it. So the simple answer is that it takes time, and learning will never stop in this field. You have to keep learning. The field keeps changing. Currently, Docker and cloud are the hot topics in cybersecurity. It is shifting toward cloud, and you will see a lot of people getting into AWS pen testing and all this. People are using Docker and all that, so it keeps changing, it keeps evolving. So you have to, and another thing is automation. So I'll also cover these things, and I'll do a lot of cyber talks on these things so that you guys can stay updated and get some idea. So this was it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the video, and these type of videos are really informative. These are longer, and you can get a much better idea about things. So that's it. Take care. Signing out, Zeus.